Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a video about stress and anxiety, which is something I deal with like almost every day. So I'm just going to like say some little tips and tricks that I do, or like some things that I found that personally help me that probably can help other people, or they probably won't. I mean, everyone's different, okay? So number one is going to be listening to music. I love to listen to music. So it's okay. I mean, it depends on what type of music you like. I like to listen to rap and R&B music, and I like that type of music, and it helps me sometimes when I'm stressed or having anxiety. I listen to a certain song and it helps me calm down, or help me get amped up, you know? Okay. Number two is going to be meditation. I don't meditate a lot, but recently I have found that it's been helping me a little bit. Like at first I didn't like meditating because I feel like it didn't help, but it actually kind of do help, is especially if you listening to like a song on YouTube that's like a calming music or something, or like something while you're meditating, or you can just be outside and sit in silence and meditate. Okay. Number three is going to be talking to a therapist or a psychiatrist. So therapy personally hasn't worked that much for me, but I do have a psychiatrist and that did help me. So the difference between that is a psychologist is going to diagnose you with whatever problem they feel like you have, and they're going to give you medication or, you know, options. Therapy, you just talking and talking and talking. So there's a difference. So I was in therapy since I was in like 5th grade. Not like with the same therapist or nothing, but like I've been in therapy since 5th grade because that's when a lot of stuff in my life started like happening. Number four is going to be watching YouTube. So I love to watch YouTube. Personally, I like to watch horror animated stories, or I like to watch paranormal videos like ghost hunting and ghost videos and stuff, or I like to watch drama stuff, like, you know, just drama. And I like to watch food stuff like mukbangs and stuff like that. I tend to sometimes watch YouTube when I'm stressed out, and it actually helps me calm down. Yeah. 5, I'm going to say eat healthy / drinking water. So I noticed that when I ate healthier and drank more water, like I feel way better. Like right now, I'm eating way more healthier and I'm drinking way more water. I feel way healthier right now. And I did this before, like on and off, and I realized that it helped me feel better. I don't know why, but like eating healthier and like drinking water. Number 6 is going to be practice self-care. So sometimes you got to take time out to care about yourself. Even if you have a boyfriend, a friend, a family member that you like constantly talk to or be around, you have to take time to yourself. And in order to do like self-care, you have to be by yourself, like taking care of yourself. Like you don't have to break up with someone or not be friends with someone, but you gotta be alone at least one time. You can't be around somebody all the time. But to me, doing self-care is like taking care of your mental health, doing things that make you happy, working on things that you need to personally work on, changing things in your life that will like help you, trying to break bad habits, noticing patterns in your life, trying to change patterns, taking a nice hot bath, hot shower, going shopping, getting your nails done. Like, self-care is taking care of yourself and doing stuff that makes you happy. Okay? Number 7 is try making a manifestation journal. So I have a manifestation journal personally, and I didn't think it worked at first. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, I'm at first I wasn't as spiritual, but like I started a manifestation journal and that changed my life. Cause like literally everything I write in a journal, it happens. It don't happen like this, but it happens. It's crazy, but it happens. Literally, like, so how to start a manifestation journal, I'll probably make a video about that, because that's like a whole detailed thing you gotta do. So if y'all want me to do that, just let me know. Number 8, spend time with friends or family. So I like spending time with my friends. Personally, I don't like spending that much time with my family more than I like spending time with my friends. Like, me and my friends, we always gonna have a ball. We always gonna have fun when we with each other. Like, you know, no matter what, we always gonna have fun. So yeah, but with my family, you never know. But don't get me wrong, I love being around my family, just not all the time. Number 9, go outside. I promise you, going outside helps with stress and anxiety. So I like to go outside and just sit outside and smoke, or just sit outside and look at the nature, or just go outside and walk around. Like, breathe in all the fresh air, take some deep breaths. Like, I promise you, it's a game changer. People be thinking like some of this stuff is like, but if you honestly like try to do it, like just try to do some of this stuff on this list. It will help you. Cause I'm not saying I'm perfect or like I'm okay and but like this is the things I found that like help me, you know. Number 10, find a creative thing to do. So if you bored or if you stressed out or having anxiety, sometimes I do little things like DIY things or something. Like, I like to make bracelets. Sometimes I make bracelets. I didn't make this, but I did put these charms on her. This is a charm that one of my friends have. I don't know if she still got it, but yeah. I like to make bracelets, or I like to watch YouTube or make YouTube, or I like to like draw or paint or clean the house or something. Like, things that you can do to take your mind off of whatever is going on with you at that moment or point in time. Yeah. Okay. Number 11, have a healthy sleep schedule. Okay, so I wouldn't say that I necessarily have a healthy sleep schedule, like, but I do normally go to sleep around like 9, 8. Lately, I've been going to sleep a little earlier because I work in the morning. So yeah, but I would advise you to get as much sleep as you need. Like, even if sometimes you gotta be like, okay guys, I'm gonna miss out on this weekend of partying or going out, and I'm gonna just take time to relax and sleep and get my rest up. That's what you gotta do sometimes. Take time and rest and sleep. Okay? Number 12, accept that you can't control everything. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it took me years to finally stop stressing about things that I cannot control. Like, I used to be having anxiety every day. Like, I still have anxiety, but not as much. But like, you can't change some stuff and you can't control everything in your life, you know? Like, some things are gonna happen that are gonna happen. Like, you can't really change it. The only thing you can do is make the best of it and try to move forward and try to learn from that mistake and move forward and try to not repeat the pattern and move forward. That's it. Yes, it's going to be hard to do that. It took me years to do it. I wouldn't be surprised if it take you years. It took me years. Like, it's hard to not be stressed about things you can't control, you know? Number 13 is going to be identify what makes you stressed and anxious. So whenever you're feeling stressed or anxious, try to see what's making you feel that way. If you don't really know, that's okay too. But just try to calm yourself down. Because sometimes I get anxiety out of nowhere, or I get stressed out of nowhere, and I don't know why. I have ADHD, so sometimes that just happens to me. I don't know why. But when it does happen, sometimes I do try to sit there and think like, okay, what's going on? Why am I feeling this way? And sometimes I can pinpoint why, and then sometimes I cannot. And when I can't, you know what I do? Watch YouTube and listen to music and chill out. Sometimes smoke a little, you know. I'm not suggesting that you do that. This is my own thing. But yeah, smoke a little, you know. All right. 14, play with a pet. So if you don't have a pet, that's cool. But I do. So this is why this is like, you know, my video trying to suggest it. So if you have a pet, I would advise you to try to like pet the pet all the time, show the pet attention. It is so stress relieving. I don't know why, but I have 2 cats for right now because we're babysitting one of my stepmother's cats, sister's cats, sorry. But we're getting a dog too. But I grew up around animals my whole life, and when I tell you, they are so loving and they will help you whenever you're stressed out or having anxiety. Like, just sitting there rubbing your pet or just holding them. You can even talk to them like, hey, nothing wrong with talking to your pet. If it gotta be like that sometime, it gotta be like that, you know? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay, last but not least, ask for help. If you need help, do not hesitate to ask for help. There's nothing wrong with asking for help at all. Like, it have been points in my life where I just couldn't hold it in anymore, and I actually needed help because I felt like something was going to happen to me. And if you get to a point where you feel that way, or you feel like you can't take what's going on with you anymore, you need to talk to somebody. Family, friend, anyone. Ask for help. Don't just sit on it and keep hurting your own self and keeping this depression and stuff in. If you need help, like, please talk to someone. Y'all can talk to me. Like, I'm good at giving advice. Like, if you ever need to talk, just let me know. Comment, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on TikTok, whatever. But anytime y'all need to talk, or y'all really feel like y'all in the place where it's end game, if you know what I mean, then you really need to try to talk to somebody, please. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. That was 15 tips to help with stress and anxiety. My own personal tips and, other tips that I found that work for other people or they work for me. But most of these tips I personally use. Not all, but most. So yeah. I think that's it, guys. I'm going to leave a disclaimer in the beginning and end of this video because mental health and stuff like that is something that I take seriously, because that's something that I deal with and I don't joke about it. And these are this video is not a joke. Like, these are actual tips that I'm trying to give y'all, and I'm not laughing, I'm not making a joke out of it. I sincerely want y'all to learn from this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day.